If you're serious about improving your fitness, recovery, and overall health, the Whoop 5.0 is one of the most advanced wearable devices you can buy in 2026. Unlike a traditional smartwatch, Whoop focuses entirely on tracking your body's performance, helping you understand how sleep, exercise, stress, and recovery affect your daily life. But is it worth the subscription? Let's find out. One of the first things you'll notice is its unique design. The Whoop 5.0 doesn't have a screen. Instead, it continuously collects health data in the background and sends everything to the Whoop app. This distraction-free approach makes it comfortable enough to wear 24 hours a day, whether you're working, exercising, or sleeping. It's also smaller than the previous generation while offering a battery life of more than 14 days. Performance is where the Whoop 5.0 truly stands out. It continuously tracks your heart rate variability, respiratory rate, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, calories burned, and daily activity. All of this information is combined to give you a detailed picture of your overall health and recovery. Sleep tracking is one of its biggest strengths. Instead of simply recording how long you sleep, Whoop analyzes your sleep stages, sleep consistency, disturbances, and sleep debt. Every morning, it provides personalized recommendations for how much sleep you should get based on your recent activity and recovery levels. Recovery tracking is another feature that sets Whoop apart. Each day, the app generates a recovery score based on your body's readiness for physical activity. If your recovery is high, it may suggest pushing yourself harder during workouts. If your body needs rest, it recommends taking it easier to avoid overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. Whoop also includes advanced coaching features. The app provides personalized insights about how your daily habits affect your health. It can show how factors like alcohol, hydration, stress, travel, nutrition, or bedtime influence your recovery and performance. New health span features also estimate your physiological age and provide guidance for improving your long-term health. The companion app is clean, detailed, and easy to understand. It organizes your data into simple scores for sleep, recovery, and strain, while also offering long-term trends and detailed health reports. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, the information is presented in a way that's easy to act on. Of course, no device is perfect. Unlike most fitness trackers, Whoop requires an active membership to access its features. It also doesn't include a built-in display for notifications, messages, or apps, so users looking for smartwatch functionality may prefer devices from Apple, Garmin, or Samsung. So, should you buy the Whoop 5.0 in 2026? If your main goal is improving recovery, sleep quality, athletic performance, and overall health, the answer is definitely yes. Its detailed health insights, excellent sleep analysis, long battery life, and personalized coaching make it one of the best fitness wearables available today. Overall, the Whoop 5.0 is an outstanding choice for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who wants deeper insights into their body, rather than just basic step counting. What do you think about the Whoop 5.0? Would you choose it over the Apple Watch, Garmin, or Oura Ring? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wearable reviews and tech comparisons.